Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, how to convert an integer number to string text in Java. Let me answer. In order to convert an integer number to a string text in Java, we have two ways. That is, first way is by using this predefined method of this integer class. There is a predefined static method known as string predefined static method of integer class in Java, using which we can convert an integer number to the string text or string literal text. Similarly, we can also use one more way, that is by using this value of predefined static method of string class also. By passing to this value of method the integer number will get converted into the string literal text. You can use any of these ways. Let me practically demonstrate so that you'll be able to understand the answer for this question in a better way. So let's get started and switch to the practical mode now. Further, I'll switch to the Eclipse IDE and here create a new class. You can name this class with some name. Let's say class 28. Let's say with main method I'll create. Inside the main method, now you create some integer number. Let's say integer number is equal to 9. Okay. This is a numerical integer literal. This kind of literal I would like to convert into a string literal. So before converting that into string literal, if I print out something like number plus 1, you will get the output as 9 plus 1. Here plus will act like addition operator and you will get the output as what? 10. 9 plus 1. Number is a numerical integer format. So 9 plus 1 will result in 10. Now here, after that, I would like to convert this numerical integer number into string literal. For that, I would write integer class dot, there is a predefined method, static method of this integer known as toString. Okay, integer dot toString of whatever the integer value that you want to convert into string, into this toString method you have to provide. Copy and paste that here, put a semicolon, and this toString method will convert this integer number into the string type. String, I'll say s is equal to. Okay, now this 9 is no more an integer here when it comes stored in s, it is a string type. So if I say system.out.println s plus 1, here you will not get 10 as the output, you will get 9 is a string literal. A string literal, here plus will act like a concatenation operator. You will get the output as string plus 1 is 91. It will be concatenated rather than adding. So that proves that the number has been converted into string literal. You see, you got 91 instead of 10. That means this number has been converted into string literal. Okay. Similarly, you can also use one more way to convert this integer number into string literal. That is by using, you have to write string dot value of int, you have to say. Okay. The value of int. Integer number is what? Number. So now this value of method of the string class also will do the same thing. It will convert this integer number into string type. The return type of this value of is string. So write down string. Let's say s2 is equal to, okay. And here write down system.out.println to prove that whether that has been converted into string literal, and just using plus symbol here. If plus acts like a concatenation operator, then s2 is conformly a string literal. So here 91 should be printed instead of 10. Here plus should not act like addition operator. You should get the output as 91 here also. So that proves that, okay, by using this any of these methods, that is toString static predefined method of integer class, or by using the value of predefined static method of string class, we can convert, okay, an integer literal into a string literal. So the output proves that. So with practical demonstration, I've answered this question for you. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.